Our topic today says perimeter of regular shapes. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the total distance around the boundary of a shape. These are shapes. This is a triangle. They have 3 sides. This is a rectangle. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, and the opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides of a rectangle, this side and this side are equal, and this side and this side are equal. That's a rectangle. So the total distance around the boundary of this shape is what we call perimeter. You have a square has the 4 sides equal. So the distance around this boundary of this shape is what we call what? Perimeter. So in today's lesson, we're going to look at how to calculate the perimeter of these regular shapes. So we're going to start with calculating the perimeter of a square. Calculate the perimeter of a square if the length of each side is 5 cm. So what's the formula? The formula is 4 times the length of the side. Solution: perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times the length. And we have the length is equal to 5 cm. So perimeter, the length is 5 cm. Perimeter is equal to 4 times 5. 4 times 5, and which is what? 20 cm. So this is the perimeter of the square. Very, very simple. We're going to be looking at the next example. Calculate the perimeter of a rectangle if its length is 8 cm and its width 3 cm. So what's the formula? The formula for perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 bracket length plus width. So this is the formula, 2 bracket length plus width. And our length is equal to what? 8 cm. The width is equal to 3 cm. So to calculate the perimeter, we sum the length and width. Perimeter is equal to 2 bracket 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. And which is, so open this bracket, it becomes times. 2 times 8 plus 3 is 11. 2 times 11, which is 22 cm. That's the simple answer. Perimeter of this rectangle is 22 cm. You can see it's very, very easy. With this formula, you can calculate perimeter of any rectangular shape. It could be a football field, or it could be a plain paper. You can calculate the perimeter using the formula length plus width, and you multiply the answer by 2. So our next example is to calculate the perimeter of a triangle, given the sides are 5, 6, and 7 cm. And what do? Simply sum the lengths of the 3 sides. So the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to the sum of the length of this rectangle, which is 5 plus 6 plus 7. When you calculate 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 7, 18, which is 18 cm. Just remember the unit. If you are giving the unit of your length in centimeter, when you finish calculating, you leave your answer in centimeter. If the unit is in meters, if you are giving 8 meters, 6 meters, when you finish summing it, you leave your answers in meters. So the unit you have given determines the unit your answer will be. That is very, very simple. If you have got value from this lesson, what are you waiting for? Just join the family by clicking that subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up. You know what it means? It's a boost for me, and you can share. When you share this video, others will come across it and it could be a blessing to others. If you have done that, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.